Hello, my name is Frederic, and I'm a chef at the Foodist. I've been lucky enough to train to turn into a chef in a famous French school in Paris called Ferrandi. The school itself is really good. There's a high level of education. All the teachers, the chef, they're over the top. You take one angle, put it in the center, and press. Here it makes another angle, right? You take it, put it in the center, press. Press. And you're gonna do that 2 times. And let's do this. In my family, a lot of people are coming from different part of the world, so I have different cooking culture with me. So I cook really different type of food. I live in Paris in the 11th area, close to Belleville, and I'm going there quite often because there is a fantastic Egyptian grocery shop and I can find all the spices and oriental products that I need to make certain type of oriental food.
Oh my gosh.
The thing that I enjoy the most with cooking classes is definitely the contact with the people. Exchange things with the people, having discussion about food or behaviors regarding to food, or this is what I like, really. And also to see that if you teach people things properly, then they do it well, and you have a very nice result on the table. So that's nice too. Quantity is not important, quality is important. When you invent a new recipe, you just try and try again and try again, and then you reach the right proportion of ingredients and everything, and you have your good recipe. So don't be afraid to make things that are not over the top from time to time, and then read and try to understand what's happening when you're cooking is going to help you a lot. So eating is exciting for me. It makes people come together. Put people around a table with good food in the middle. People that don't know each other, after an hour, they're going to be the best friend. Why? Because they're going to share good food together, and it helps, I think. So I like food for this. It makes people come together, yeah.